of blending is to make sure that everything just goes together like two peas in a pod.
I came off from a big X and came home to a big bag. I'm a big boss and you big mad. Fuck around and die by my respect. Got blood all on my Christians from all my oppositions. Fuck all my oppositions.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Emmy. Welcome. And if you want to see everything about beauty, makeup, hair, all that good stuff, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I did do my foundation routine before I did my makeup, so if you want to check that out, I'm going to leave that right up here. If you want to check out how I did my foundation first. So we're going to get right into this video and let's check out how I did this look. And I'm blending that into my upper crease. And you want to blend really well. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush, a clean brush now, and I'm going to go into my Take Me to Brazil palette. It's the super duper old one. Don't judge me, but yeah, this is what I got. I'm going to take this orange right here. So I'm gonna go back in with that brown, well, Wander, and I'm going to clean up these harsh lines here. I'm just gonna blend all this out. You want to keep the orange in your crease, so you're just blending out your upper crease. To apply this all over my lid because I want to get a cream base, so when I apply my eyeshadow, it's gonna stick. I'm going to take my flat fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out the crease. Dreamer from my Tartelette palette. I'm going to put that all over my lid. So I'm going to take this brush right here and blend all this brown right into my crease. And if you feel like you need to add more product, then you do so. So I want to add more color to my crease. I just want to deepen it a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this dark orange shade. I got all these brushes from Amazon, so, and I'll leave the link down below so you can check it out and see the brushes I got. And these brushes are great. They're really soft. They're great at blending. So I'm going to blend all this out and I'll be right back. So I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to go in with Free Spirit. I'm going to go with that on my brow bone. You spray it with finishing spray so the eyeshadow can stick better to the brush. Ooh, yeah. When you're putting eyeshadow on your brow bone, you want to start on your arch and gradually bring that color down to your going to line my waterline with this brown eyeliner. I'm going to apply my concealer to my lower lash line and blend it out, and then we're going to go in with our eyeshadow. I'm going to apply Dreamer from the Tarte palette on the bottom and buff it out. I'm going to do my mascara on my lower lash line and also my lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm going into my Dorvito and I'm taking the color Summer and I'm applying that to my, the hell is this shit called? I'm applying that to my inner corner.